Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So to change how you are billed, you will update the payments method in your Amazon account. Prime Video uses the same billing system, okay? So first thing first, go to your Amazon account, okay? So open amazon.com, okay? Or your local Amazon site, okay? So sign into your account, okay? And open payment settings, like go to settings list, okay? So you have to sign in first, your account. So after that, as I said, you go to account and list. So you have to go to your account here, tap it, your payments, okay? So you have to find your payment here. This shows all your payments method, okay? So as you can see here, we have many choices. Add or edit a payment method, so you can add new card or edit existing card, okay? Remove old card, you can do it even in Prime Video, okay? You can enter details like card number, okay? Expiry dates, billing address, okay? Keep info accurate, so you have to keep that accurate. Set as default, like this is important. Choose your preferred method, click set as default, okay? This is what Prime Video will use, okay? So you can here set payments method, you can set another one. Confirm changes, like save updates. Your new payments method is now active, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.